What's going on, guys? David here with you, and today just having thoughts about just really trying to get in my mind about the people that view my channel. I'm very good with talking with people like on one on one, especially when I can see you, but not being able to see you. Like I just realized it today. Like, I have this many followers that's listening to my channel, and I really, I enjoy appliance repair and different things like that. But there's other things, there's other subjects that I can really talk about, and and I feel like a lot of people that is part of my channel, they're already in the good mindset of wanting to work and wanting to do, and a lot of times people mistake and think that that's the easy way out. And you know there were certain circumstances that really drove me to uh, you know well, for one, my papa Phillips, he was an entrepreneur. My papa Childers, he was an entrepreneur. But I didn't really knew what I was wanting to do, but being, just wanting to do something for myself. I think what happened is, you know, I knew that my grandpa, he worked for himself. He mechanicked, and then my other grandpa, he, you know, was his own contractor and different stuff like that. And um, I reckon, and two, like I said, certain circumstances drove me to know that, hey, I'm gonna have to go make money for myself. You know what I mean? So, um, I really think, I just went out here and had to make my own way. You know what I mean? Like, I think a lot of you guys that's a part of this channel, I believe that y'all got the same mindset, trying to, make a living for yourself and trying to hustle and, like, but there's a point in time to where the hustle is good, you know, especially when, you can make, a certain amount of money, and then you can do other things that can make you more money. But being able to get to that place of being able to build and make the amount of money that can pay your bills and do different things like that, that really makes a big difference, especially when you want to do side hustles. Now, hustles are good. Okay, now what do I mean? You're like, what's a hustle? Well, you know, a pressure washing business is a pressure washing business. A lawn care business is a lawn care business. Landscape. There's used appliances. There's fixing appliances. Like, when you're hustling, you're doing a little bit of everything like that. Just trying to stay afloat, trying to make a certain amount of money. And so that's a hustle. Now, when you can turn your hustle into you know being able to get this amount of jobs, and you like doing what you're doing, and you know that you can turn this into a business, and you turn this into a business, and and there's key factors to really doing what you want to do, and that's got to be you know I can honestly say it feels good. I wake up every morning and I love what I do for a living. That's the truth. Do I hate getting out of bed sometimes? Absolutely. You know what I mean? And so that makes a big difference. And I know a lot of people, there's a lot of people that is coming to realize this. And, real honestly, it takes 3 to 5 years to really, get a business up and going real good and learning the ins and outs of everything. So, but like I said, I know a majority of you guys that are here on this channel, I feel like y'all at that level of understanding, and because what I would really like to do is telling a customer this today, that I would like to have people that, hey, I can show you how to do this and this and this and this. But, there's people that when you can show them these things, it's just not what they want to do. They may not understand it, whatever it is. But that's why I wanted to do this video, because, I just realized today that, I got people that are watching me on video, watching me on camera. And, I want to treat you guys as if I treat anybody that I meet, out here on the street in person, out here in the world in person. And so that's, that's the reason why I'm doing this video. So, but yeah, hope each and every one of you are doing good. This is, I try to film and try to do things, but, and yeah, I'm trying to build my subscriber account. My subscriber list. Yeah, my count up. That's what I was trying to say. But, I'm not, I realize that come to realization that I'm thankful for each and every one of you. And I've always been, but I really want you guys to know that I see you as like a person that's, being able to view my channel and, so many people being able to see me. And I just want to be that person to, I have that size audience. Like, that's cool. So I appreciate you guys. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to do this video. I want to do more videos like this, just speak my peace of mind and how I think about things, how I view things. And so I appreciate you guys, and see y'all in the next video.